Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Located in Potts Point, one of Sydney's oldest suburbs, Aperture offers breathtaking views that stretch from Luna Park to North Head. The design brief incorporates the area's rich history with the impressive vista to create a contemporary home that is reminiscent of the client's favorite hotels. The apartment is designed with social gatherings in mind, featuring a layout that leads occupants toward floor-to-ceiling windows, ensuring unobstructed views of the city. Discreet lighting, custom, recessed sprinklers, and plaster-set speakers are thoughtfully added to maintain an open, uninterrupted focus on the scenery. Natural light flows through several openings, evenly illuminating the home. Aperture embodies the value of restraint in design. In reimagining the main suite, we embraced a concept of openness that challenges conventional Sydney renovations, says Ellie Sutton, senior interior designer at APS Design. By removing walls, we transformed 3 separate rooms into an expansive retreat that captures our clients' passion for luxury hotels. One bedroom now serves as an ensuite, while another has been transformed into a lavish, open wardrobe featuring bespoke brass and glass details. This new spatial arrangement reveals previously hidden views of Sydney Harbour Bridge, strengthening the relationship between the home and its setting.